Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Hetty, and in today's video I want to show you how I achieve this fabulous wavy curly look with my flexi rods. If you want to see how this tutorial goes, then don't go anywhere and keep watching. So friends, I will be doing this hair on a stretched hair, which I achieved by blow drying. So I start by patting my hair into small sections. I usually prefer to start from the back and work my way to the front. You can't see in the video now, but I moisturize with my Dark and Lovely moisturizer. Then I seal it all in with my coconut olive oil and shea butter mix, which I make at home. I then go in with my white tooth comb to remove all the tangles, and then go in with my flexi rods, wrap the hair around it inwards, and then bend it at the bottom. So I usually do this hair on dried hair because I like how it comes out on dried hair instead of wet or damp hair. I feel like when I do it on wet hair, I do not get the desired look that I want. So this look was inspired by the Bantu twist, which you can do as well to achieve this exact look. If you're not particularly good at doing the Bantu and you're comfortable and confident with the flexi rods, is another way to achieve that similar look. My hair tends to be dry, so I prefer products that have water base or that gives it a bit of moisture, and then I seal everything in with my shea butter, coconut and olive oil cream mix, which I make myself at home. So I do this exact routine throughout my whole hair until all my hair is covered. This is what I do throughout the hair and until my hair is covered in flexi rods. I am in transitioning. Part of my hair is natural and the rest, especially the ends, are all relaxed. So I am on my natural hair journey. This takes a lot of muscles in my hand. So be ready, by the time you finish with this hairdo, you might have a bicep or two. So once my whole head is covered in flexi rods, I just use my satin silk-like head wrap to just cover it, and you can leave this for a few hours or you can sleep with it overnight, which is what I did. So this is me the morning after, and I'm going to take all the flexi rods out so we can see how my curls turned out. As you can see, my hair is pretty thick, so it takes a lot of effort to get it all curly and in the way that I like in most days, but this turned out pretty good. So I go in with my oil and just oil my scalp a little bit. And then I open up all the curls gently, not to mess up with the curls. This is it. There's so many ways you can style it and it would look fantastic. Thank you for watching. If there's any video you would like to see me put up, just leave a comment and I will get right to it. Thank you for watching.